Hello, in today's presentation, I will be reviewing this article posted by the CDC called The Suicidal Ideations and Behaviors Among High School Students, um, the Youth Risk Behavior Survey in the US. This article was posted on August 21st, 2020, and was written by Aisha Ivy Stephenson. The article that I chose goes over many statistical and informational facts on the topic of teen suicide. Information such as ethnicity and sexualities are covered as well in this post. The purpose of this article is to inform the readers about the reason why teenagers might feel or have suicidal tendencies. In this article, you will find many links and credible sources provided, like this one shown. And in this site, a map of the US is provided along with a variety of topics and subjects that correlate with teen suicide. Furthermore, the topics listed are such as tobacco use, unintentional injuries / violences, dietary behaviors, etc., which will all have an effect on suicide and can lead to that. The site allows you to see where and what areas of the US have these major issues. As we head back to the main article and we scroll down to the very bottom, we will find many links in the references to other posts and websites as shown. And in this link, you will find an interactive site that provides fatal and non-fatal injury, violent death, and cost of injury data. The data provided is also a CDC government official website that encourages the public, researchers, and media to learn more about the economic burden associated with the unintentional and violence of injuries in the United States. As we head back to the main article and go a little bit back to the top, you'll notice that the author has cited several facts and statistics from the links provided. She has carefully examined her resources and files in order to compose this article. The publication of this article was on August 21st, 2020, making it a little over a year old. As we head back to the first link provided and turning to this, the site was last updated in 2019. The information ranges from 1991 up until 2019. And as we head back to the main article, the CDC, or Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, is a government-owned site with factual information on many subjects like this one shown. The site offers countless resources and links to many other credible references as well. I believe that this article would be a great cause and effect paper, as well provides lots of information on the subject to researchers, professors, and individuals such as parents who are seeking info on this matter.